All right, update to how I fixed my neighbor's Phantom 3 camera overheating problem. If you've seen the video above, you know what I'm talking about. And just disclaimer here, this worked for me. It may not work for you. I am not responsible for any damage it may cause to your aircraft whatsoever. So with that, what I did, very small Phillips screwdriver. I removed the back of the plate here, 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will see a post about that center slot right there. And that should be looking like this. The half moon should be straight across left to right. If it is like that, it will not initialize correctly and it will just overheat. So what I did from there is I took just needle nose pliers, gently turned it until it was again even, put the backing on, tighten the screws down, still did not work. But I knew that was at least aligned properly. So I started looking around, and if you look underneath, you'll see another one. I'm going to try to zoom in, see if I can get it better. There you go. So it's, when this is all straight up and down, you can see, it's at the left-hand side. This is a great time if you have one of those gimbal locks to put it on, because it'll keep it nice and straight. You will see inside, sorry for the shakiness, I'm just using my phone for this, a Allen wrench lock right there. On my neighbor's, it was really loose. I tightened that down, again using the needle nose pliers. I got that off to the left-hand side. I'm thinking maybe that has to do with the drone dance. When you go in a circle, turn it upside down, etc., etc. But he has had no other problems ever since I did that. He's flown it once or twice. Again, absolutely no problems. So, hope this helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to give an answer as soon as possible.